This is James with WSTrades.com. I want to bring you an update here, but before I get to this update, I want to say if you are looking for a trading account and you are new to the stock market, Moomoo does have a pretty good promotion going on right now. So if you go to the link in the comments and description section of this video, sign up for Moomoo and make a deposit. They do have this promotion going on where you can receive up to 15 free stocks plus one extra share of Tesla or Google. So if that's something that you're interested in, head to that link, check it out, head over to Moomoo and sign up and, get some free stock. Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker PLTR or Palantir Tech. So they closed at 1581 yesterday, heading for a lower open today unless something wild happens in the next 27 minutes. Futures are getting absolutely blasted on right now. Things have been really bipolar and all over the place lately. 1% rips, 2% dumps, 1% rips. Like futures have been really up and down lately. But let's take a look here a little closer at Palantir on the daily time frame. Key support level going back to June. So several months here, it came down here and touched this level around 1360, 1365. Somewhere in there. We got so many touches of that level. I definitely have my eye down there. If it does bleed down to that level, I want to see how it reacts to that level. And then to the upside, let's zoom into the tail end here. A little bit shorter term price action here. You can see a lot of rejection around maybe 1587. We kind of had a false break here, a couple false breaks here. So I kind of was looking at that level. We almost made it there yesterday, but now of course it's going to open lower. So let's kind of see if we can get some buying back into this thing. I'd like to see what would happen if it could close above 1587, because we've had a couple false breaks above that level here. So bulls have been testing it, they just haven't been able to really get above that and move away from that level. We see a couple false breaks here, but so that's definitely key resistance to the upside right now, looking at that area of about 1587. But then we have another area here where it could kind of stall out if it does get above that. And it's not much further to the upside. It's about 1613. So that would be like the next, resistance level that I would be looking at. Haven't covered Palantir in a while, but, I did see some stories in here for Palantir. And they are talking about AI powerhouse. Palantir and PwC team up to accelerate data-driven operations. So it says PLTR or Palantir is expanding collaboration with PwC. The collaboration will combine Palantir's latest AI capabilities with PwC's industry experience to help clients realize value. With data and AI-enabled operations, Palantir has chosen the UK as its European headquarters for AI research and development. So a statement here from PwC UK. This alliance is enabling us to deliver even greater value and sustained outcomes to our clients. It also says Palantir eyes major NHS data deal in the UK. So Palantir is also reportedly poised to secure a significant contract with the UK's National Health Services, or the NHS. This development comes as the UK government seeks to revamp its health data system, according to a news report by Bloomberg. The proposed 5-year contract, potentially extendable by 2 years and valued at approximately $579 million US, aims to assist the NHS in analyzing medical data and detecting patterns to enhance its entire system. So things are looking pretty bright here for Palantir. They have already released earnings guidance for the next quarter, and that revenue is supposed to be pretty strong. I want to say it's up above the 550 million mark. And I think if we go back and look at the last earnings quarter, they reported a little bit less than that, if I'm not mistaken. So they seem to just continue to get these contracts, continue to increase revenue. They continue to have, good numbers coming here in the financials. You can kind of see if we zoom out on the daily that, they've had a couple quarters here where they made a penny a share. But then these last 2 quarters, they made 5 cents a share. So they've definitely turned it around. If we go to the 3-year weekly, you can kind of see a lot of losses coming in. They kind of narrowed losses, and then boom, 4 straight quarters. So if you look at the trailing 12 months, they have really turned things around here and went in a much better direction. We can also come in here and take a look at Yahoo Finance and just kind of see what analysts are predicting here. Because I've seen comments on the channel as well, like they're way too reliant on government contracts, which that does make up a large portion of their revenue. no doubt. But let's kind of look forward here and kind of see what is expected. If you see here, a year ago, earnings per share was 6 cents. Current year estimates are 23 cents. That's a big improvement. And then if you look at 2024, 16 analysts are predicting even stronger earnings. So for them to make 27 cents a share. If we look at revenue estimates here, growth for 2023 is estimated at 16.1%. That would be revenue of 2.21 billion. And then if you look at 2024, they are predicting an increase up to 2.63 billion. That's from 15 analysts there. So that's also showing, if this is correct, sales growth of 18.9%. So in the short term here, a lot of analysts here are predicting, more revenue, more earnings here for Palantir. And if they continue to secure contracts like the one with the NHS there, things are looking pretty bright for PLTR or Palantir Tech. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on Palantir. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.